top stories. 3 women killed, several hurt as heavy rainstorm lashes Manipur. JDU to support CPI candidate Dr. MANDIRA. Jennings medical students' body locks OPD in protest. JDU alleges widespread election malpractice. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News, and now the news in detail. 3 women were killed and several injured during the heavy rainstorm that lashed Manipur this morning. Yengkhom Nungshitombi, aged 56 years, of Kakching, Wairi Senapati Laikai, Lairimparing, succumbed to her injuries after a banyan tree fell on her tea stall. A police team led by Kakching Police Superintendent of Police Victoria Yengkhom rushed to the site and took stock of the situation, and a case has been filed in connection with the fatal incident. The rainstorm destroyed several houses, schools, besides uprooting trees in different parts of Kakching. The strong wind accompanied by heavy rainfall also claimed the lives of 2 women in Churachandpur district. The deceased were taking shelter at a house in T Munjang village when the storm destroyed the house, killing them on the spot. They were identified as Lalhai Khungsai of K Samjang village and Domnem Dongel of Kulbul village. The bodies were taken back by the families after conducting post-mortem at Churachandpur district hospital. Several houses and other structures in Jiribam district were also damaged during today's rainstorm. Ceiling of Jiri Ima Kaithel was blown away by the strong wind. Many electric poles were uprooted in the district, causing a blackout. Victims were calling for help from the state government. Boro Bekra Subdivision Development Organization Chairman P. Jiten said a number of houses have been destroyed during the storm, causing hardships to the people. He appealed to the authority concerned to look into the problem. Several young students of New Model School Kumbi of Bishnupur district were also injured during the storm, which damaged the school building. One, Laikuram Barlin of Kongpal Khaidem Laikai in Imphal East, got head injury after being hit by a blunt object falling from the rooftop of his house during the rainstorm. He was taken to Jennings, Imphal for treatment. Earlier in the day, Deputy Commissioner Kakching has issued a notice regarding the damage done to properties in the strong wind that swept through the state this morning. It said that the subdivisional offices of Kakching and Waikong will be the nodal offices within their own jurisdiction. The notice also seeks preliminary reports of the damage along with photos. Lodging GI sheets, etc. will also be provided, it informed. The JDU Manipur unit has announced to support CPI candidate Dr. MANDIRA, who is contesting the Lok Sabha polls to Inup Manipur parliamentary seat to be held on April 18 in the second phase. The party will support Dr. MANDIRA, who is a true leader. JDU Manipur unit president Hangkhan Phao Taitul told a press meet at party office Hatta, where Dr. MANDIRA was also present. Taitul stated, "We need to choose a true public leader like Dr. MANDIRA. There is no question of forging alliance, but we are supporting a non-BJP and non-Congress candidate," he added.
Misak amoy na ubasida JDU na Dr. Narasinghabu support togani haiba sima akoi JDU Manipur State Union lauthok chare.
Dr. MANDIRA expressed happiness to get support from JDU and described this election as the most joyous one in his life. He also sought vote from the people and elected him in the Lok Sabha polls.
More support. Every day, every moment, newer and newer people are declaring their support. Praise the Karida Yam Thok the Biyai. But I know aigi punsida rahinti torokpada handa kisimuk election gi vote khombada smooth oiba everywhere people na as if moi gi thong silaw na hangtokna nang changa une haidana haibi bagi moment amani. I think I really enjoy the fruit of sincerity, the fruit of solid foundation, ideologically or otherwise. Chumna miyam gi marakta miyam gi issue da kharadang sum yawjar baduna nasidi. I enjoy the prestige, I enjoy the confidence of the people.
Demanding action against those who were responsible for assaulting and harassing medical students of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JANIMS, during the recent altercation that broke out at the state-run hospital following the death of a woman after giving birth. The JANIMS Students Association today locked the hospital's OPD indefinitely. A number of people coming to the hospital for treatment were disappointed when they found the OPD being closed. Medical Superintendent in charge and Head of Department Medicine, Professor Dr. K. Ghanachandra told Tom TV that it was an unfortunate incident wherein the women died while giving birth. At the same time, he expressed unhappiness over the incident of vandalism and assault of medical students during the scuffle. Upset over the incident, the medical students have decided to go on strike in protest. A meeting was held in the chamber of JANIMS director, where the Deputy Medical Superintendent and representatives of the Students Association were present. Dr. Ghanachandra said, but added that it was agreed that normal functioning of the emergency and routine operation in the hospital will remain unaffected by the strike. The association's demand for action against the involved individuals is being considered, he added. But there is no decision to reopen the OPD as of now, Dr. Ghanachandra further said. He also said efforts are on to bring an amicable solution to the stalemate by the JANIMS authority.
Ado moina torba demand singdra koina request tawjare parja gi hojiji khallaga pura completely hosa na thingba hai basidi khara laibi koidi laidiba parja singda khara waga dongina aduna tangai phadana emergency service aidi mayam na khangbi ni emergency di athu kai adugumba patient taunaba emergency di hangasi yengasi adu routine operation haibadi already water leiraba kuina ngairaba thama ni operation tawni garang digi sara hen goi ni lorili adi operation tawne lerga kudakte yaithok puju nuaite aidi kudomoina gorba ragi operation nung operation je tha ni hom kuina ngairaba ngatani mogi damakta yengaga routine operation di adum tawraga si haina khanare adu matam gara disa thagi dra ne khan marak to hoi kana yam thuna akoi tha mayam higher authority haidare ko mayam tai mayam higher authority mayam yam thuna mu yam kan si kan honari ba koi sar director ma simply communicate to gra yum da no yawa na yum satun hangdan ko na ko yam thuna sop to honari.
JDU nominee for the Lok Sabha polls of Manipur parliamentary seat, Hangkhanphao Taitul, today claimed that the BJP and Naga People's Front, the polls to the outer seat held on April 11 in the first phase were marred by widespread electoral malpractice. The polling was not conducted in a free and fair manner, he told a press meet at Manipur JDU office Hatta. Taitul also claimed that forceful voting was widespread in some of the assembly segments of Churachandpur district. There were also incidents wherein armed cadres belonging to militant groups under suspension of operation stopped voters from exercising their franchise during the polling, he further claimed. Taitul claimed that there was also reports of widespread proxy voting in Naga area. Taitul expressed dismay over the alleged inaction of the Election Commission despite such happenings.
Gunda gi leader do Manipur outer gi people's gi representative oina Delhi chat tori bani Delhi singna airport ta ngai ramo aduda thug leader criminal haininge adumai toraga India constitution bu khongo iduna Prayagi hakto matuna nongmai machin donda namaga nongmai paiba khara civil uniform da lehalaga dang napaga ei leader ne haina Delhi da parliament wa ngang rudo bani ha am nok ninge.
A road trip covering a distance of 16,000 km was flagged off from Hotel Classic Grande, Imphal today. The road trip titled Road to London was flagged off by Mayor General KP Singh, YSM Aigar South. The road trip comprises a convoy of 7 cars and will be joined by others on the way. The trip will cross 18 countries and expected to reach London, England on 2nd June 2019. The expedition is organized by Adventure Overland. 19 men and 8 women set out for the road trip along with the youngest participant, 5-year-old Bahira Sandha. Sanjay Madan, co-founder of Adventure Overland, said that the final destination of the trip will be London after crossing different countries. It is worth mentioning that co-founders of Adventure Overland, Sanjay Madan and Tushar Agarwal together have held a Guinness World Record and 15 Limca Book of Record for long driving expeditions.
Organizing this epic road trip, this is the 3rd season. We will be driving from Imphal to London. It's a 50 days long journey. Covering around 15,000 kilometers and driving through 18 countries. We have 14 participants who are doing the entire journey from Imphal to London, and we have another 15 participants who will be joining in between somewhere in China, Stan countries and in Europe leg.
The police in Manipur continue to carry out combing operation in Imphal city ahead of the 2nd phase of Lok Sabha polls. Imphal West District Police Commando conducted combing operation at Majorkul, Kalibari and MG Avenue in Thangal Bazar under city police. Around 370 people were verified by Imphal West Commando Bazar unit team under the supervision of Additional Superintendent Operations AG Sharma. 9 people were detained by city police station for further verification. Cherao Chaing, located at Thangwaibund, has become a popular place for the people of the state. But the negligence of visitors has become one of the major reasons of the worsening of its natural beauty. People climb Cherao Chaing during Cherao festival of the state, but the waste from the food wrappings and other wastes left behind is a terrible sight. Mummy Thawan Foundation took up the initiative to clean the hill area. To support such endeavor by the foundation, the team of Manfit 2019 and volunteers of Go Green also took part in the cleanliness drive. Romi Meitei, a filmmaker, said that Mummy Thawan has been working for the development of the state and the people and will continue to do so. He added that they are also planning to plant tree sapling which will benefit Cherao Chaing.
Mamithon Foundation and Amalay, Mamma, so come here, www.mamithon.com. So this is the Moki Ganosing, Mamithon Scano, so come be any. Marina Kogi Foundation say Mont Manaba, Kogi Mui group Karana Semzaba, Kogi Foundation Amane, Masida, Kogi film, Kogi industry, the Sense Song Deriva, Tomissing, Aduga, Atopa profession, the Gi, ma'am. Pulaga Sema Foundation. Foundation Sigi, Kogi, MC, Kogi, Manipur, Gi, Apaba Tabak Kratosu, Taugi, and Sagi Kanba Kogi group woman. And now Kogi Sedum Football Club, Amusule, my am film Gi, Kambu Bolsana, have the Kogi, Amamit team Sine. Aduga, Mamangi, Sazibuno Pamba, Zerau Bagi, Kogi, Nongan Bagi, Charamam do, saying Amatung, the Sigi, Namu second, Sarau Sigi, Amu Saint Jerisa. And the Sigi is a Queen Henam Noizabsina, Mamangi, Quina. First, Hogi initiative to Penbid and Haitare, the Manipurgi, Hogi, Kano Haitare, Manipurgi, one and only Hogi, Manipur University, Manfit 2019 teams who volunteer to be a Sijawiri, Aduga, Go Green Manipur groups, Sinamo Hogi Instagram official page, so my Nakosu Yauzi and Harkanda, Puna, Toroga, Masigi System, programs, Pangtok 7.
Pradeep Kumar Irom, convener of Manfit 2019, declared that they will join all social works organized by Mummy Thawan Foundation.
Have the Handaki am like Havniko, have the Manfit site, Gizo, Kogi party, have the Asiki Mamitawan Togzariva Poche, have the Manipur Yamna Dreted Oibako, have the Amonakai Mamze, Singtopiva have the India government, the site, the high targazu, Manipur government site, the high targazu, Kogi, the issue of never, social issue of never. Must see have the live active Nico, one say the Yao Fang, nothing say the Yao Fang Zaredo, Matan say the Zukoi, associate Togan. Kokani, Sima Tamsaning, Aduga, have the Masi Yamna, have the Life Havnico, when Tawana initiative Lovidaga, Tawuze, have the Masidam Takapos Fondosari, Mam Site, the man Fondosari.
The inhabitants of Kangabok constituency, Thobal district have lauded the work of Chief Engineer of Water Resource G. Robindro and former Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh T.H. Jadumani towards ensuring adequate water supply in the area under the guidance of Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren. The initiative has sorted out the problem faced by the people around Kangabok, Khungang and farmers who are engaging in double cropping at Ikopat. One of the farmers said that the water from the channel of Thobal Multipurpose Project Gate number 4 is the lifeline of the people, but it was completely dried up during October-November last year, causing water shortage. He praised CM Biren and social worker T.H. Jadumani for supplying water through the channel from 4th of this month. Dr. L. Angshim Dhangshua Moring, who cleared the prestigious civil service examination conducted by the Union Public Service Commission UPSC, securing the 517th rank, arrived at Imphal today. Family members, residents from his village Kangoi Kulen, performed traditional Moring dance and songs to receive him at Imphal airport. Angshim's father, expressing his happiness over his son's achievement, said he is really proud of his son who has made the village proud.
Haraba poi ai tare adu ai isagi da mak ai imungi da makhalur da duga ma haraba sulaite adu hena wa sulaite tabu da wai gi maring community da sigum mam sulaitri mina adu khalur ka na di am harawo yeta district am gi magistrate orane ko adu orak tar so ma se ai akoi manipur gi oina ko akoi manipur state ko oina yam afa ba tawaningi adu gi sakhat ba jaga da ma se thabak tawraga ma se sakhat development pokhatam na pami adu manasu hana ingun da chalam de hai wai kari ma success hoita ardi ai di helga adagi education se yam thawa yaw nai se thawa hoina pakhe kan na ara biman.
It may be mentioned that Dr. L. Angshim is the first Moring tribe to have cleared the prestigious examination, and he is among 18 candidates from Northeast states to have cleared the Union Public Service Commission UPSC examination 2018-19 in his first attempt. Speaking to media persons, Angshim said he has not decided about his mission, but promised to fulfill the wishes of the public.
Haidi my pak was ai isagi tanatana mayam no smain harau was mayamgi prayers answer to when lawe na haidi it's like the happiness is for the people, it's not only for me, so I'm really happy. Subject to civil service study humanities am yaw medical science it's a pure science, so adugi transition do kitang di wa ke but with time I was able to cope up all of that. Under priorities I oinadi khangbangam taseng nairagadi I want to interact with the people first. I want to see what the people want from me. Mayam gi apamo da mahan boina igi apam banen khalle.
The banned Kanglepa Communist Party KCP People's War Group today greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Christian community, on the occasion of Good Friday and Easter Sunday. In a press statement, Chairman of KCP People's War Group, on behalf of the outfit, extended his greetings to the people on the occasion. Let us take a stand to make a stronger society by forgiving and forgetting each other's mistake. The chairman appealed to the people of the hills and valley in his message. It also said the ban imposed on the Catholic Education Society Manipur by the outfit will be relaxed in view of Good Friday and Easter Sunday. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Well, this is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend the whole day together. Time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
lamjingba nidhi limited ki members singda akaknaba matam khara khakki oina khudongchaba sing pizari khudongchaba sing adudi saving account hangbada chada lupa taruki interest pizagani fixed deposit amadi recurring deposit ki oina chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani daily deposit ki oina su chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani karigumba members singna business loan personal loan natraga mortgage loan laubiragadi sada lupa taragani pandagi lupa kungi apik pasendoi haibadi reducing rate ta loan lobiba yagani akaknaba matam khara khakki oiba khudong chaba sing asi lobiranaba members singda ningsingjari masiga loina loina kanagumba member oidriba singna member oibinaba ekhoigi office ta lengsin birau amadi akupa marol sing tanabiu ekhoigi address lamjingba nidhi limited near Nityananda Mandir Nagamapal Rims Road Imphal West mobile 9366857001 email lamjingbanidhi@gmail.com website www.lamjingbanidhilimited.com
Maunaha ama mangkre Chatliba thasi taramathoigi nungthil pung ama makhairom tawa aduaida maunaha ama mayumdagi thokhibadagi thiba khangdre miyoi adugi maming khetrimayum ningol sagosem ongbi Rosie chahi kunipan mapuroiba sagosem singhajit kawi Nepra company makhalaikai dagini miyoi asi fit manga wangi kuchu ngawi mamai sangi masamui mahak hangamapal machugi fanek sekhi higok machugi furit ama litkhi sandal tongkhi Hairiba miyoi asi kanagumada thengnabirabadi manak nakpa police station da pau pibiraknaba khanganjari.
Welcome back. Cows walked the ramp at Pathshala in Barpeta district of Assam instead of human models. The people of Pathshala have been organizing this unique competition on the occasion of Goru Bihu every year as a part of their tradition. This year too, a cow fashion show was organized at Govindapur Satra in Bajali of Barpeta district of Assam. The cows of the region were brought decked up in unique clothes, bells, garlands and the traditional Assamese gamusa. Notably, the event is a major attraction for the locals even as the farmers of the region eagerly wait for a year to take part in the unique event with much enthusiasm. During the event, the cows are being brought out to the ramp even as Bihu songs are played in the background. This is one of the unique events organized in the state on the occasion of Bihu. The event is aimed at encouraging the farmers of the region to come together and celebrate Bihu in a distinct way. Massive storm also hit parts of northeast today. In Meghalaya, Garo Hills region was ravaged by an early morning massive storm leading to many houses being damaged. This is not the first incident in the state where houses were damaged, trees uprooted by a storm cyclone. Heavy rains accompanied by hailstorm and thunderstorm wreaked havoc in parts of the state since last week. Many schools have also reportedly been damaged during the event. People hit by the storm are currently being sheltered in various locations on a temporary basis, with the administration working to ensure food and accommodation to all that have been affected. Apparently, the storm is the same one that caused havoc in parts of Jaintia Hills as well as in parts of West Khasi Hills this morning. An electric range of individuals ranging from a remote sensing specialist, a teacher, a law student, a former bureaucrat, one who is unlettered and even a novice in politics are trying their electoral luck in the Lok Sabha polls in Tripura. Congress candidate Pragya Dev Burman, 50, who is a remote sensing and urban settlement specialist, and Bharatiya Janata Party nominee Rebati Tripura, 43, an accommodation and novices in politics. They are contesting against each other in the Tripura East Lok Sabha seat reserved for tribals, where voting will be held on April 18. Jet Airway pilots body, the National Aviators Guild's Energy today appealed the State Bank of India to release 1,500 crore which was proposed to be infused in the ailing carrier as part of a debt restructuring plan last month. The airline is operating just 6-7 planes with almost its entire fleet being grounded due to non-payment of rentals to leisures amid severe paucity of cash. Pakistan has released another 100 Indian fishermen as a goodwill gesture amidst tension between the two countries after the Pulwama terror attack. The fishermen released on Sunday were part of the second batch of 360 Indian prisoners Pakistan has promised to set free in 4 phases this month. Pakistan released the first batch of 100 Indian fishermen on April 7. The fishermen who were released from Malir jail in Karachi on Sunday were being taken to Lahore by train and handed over to the Indian authorities at the Wagah border today. The fishermen were arrested for fishing illegally in Pakistani waters. Another 100 will be freed on April 22 and the rest on April 29. South Korean President Moon Jae-in today said he is ready for a fourth summit with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un to help salvage faltering nuclear negotiations between Washington and Pyongyang. Moon's comments came after Kim issued his harshest criticism yet over South Korea's diplomatic role last week, accusing Seoul of acting like an overstepping mediator and demanding that it will diverge from Washington to support the North's position more strongly. Moon met Kim 3 times last year and also brokered nuclear talks between Washington and Pyongyang, following tensions created by North's nuclear and missile tests and the exchange of war threats between Kim and President Donald Trump. Before we wrap up, the top stories once again. 3 women killed, several hurt as heavy rainstorm lashes Manipur. JDU to support CPI candidate Dr. MANDIRA. Jennings medical student's body locks OPD in protest. And JDU alleges widespread election malpractice. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.